Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your Sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm pleased to showcase a beautiful, fantastic collection of Kanjivaram silks in kaleidoscopic colors. These saris are rich in motifs, and the designs and colors are breathtaking. So let's get started with these saris. We begin with a very beautiful, exclusive and unique Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari with Ganga Jamuna borders. The body of this beautiful sari has all over small cotton or checks in a combination of araku and rust orange. This is the gorgeous body of the sari. The body has all over small checks in a combination of orange and araku, and the borders are Korvai borders. The upper border is pink and the lower border is a beautiful blue. Now the borders have reticulated zari motifs, that is two rows of zari motifs, and the motifs are pakshi and tambalam, which is like a tray, a copper or brass tray which is used to keep presents or for gifting, etc. That's called a tambalam. So this is a beautiful combination of rust and arak with pink and blue on the borders. This is the gorgeous pallu of the sari and it's in blue, and it has got elongated tambalam motifs, it's got pakshi motifs. It also has rakodi, which is a hair ornament. Those motifs are also found on this pallu, along with small floral buttas on the blue portion. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in blue with the same borders as the sari has, with the same motifs on the borders. This is a very unique exclusive piece, and it's a collector's sari, a dream come true for sari lovers. Paimadi or Paikattam is a very important weave in Kanjivaram silk saris, and this kind of weave has a textured effect, a layered effect to the sari. This is called as Chatai weave in other parts of India like Bengal. Now this is a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari, and the body is in a combination of araku and terracotta. It's a very lovely and earthy shade, and it has Mail Chakram motifs in zari all over the body. Now the beautiful border has Araimadam motifs like this in zari, and it has also got Pillayar Mukku, which is like temples along the border. It has a lovely green selvage that highlights these beautiful motifs on the border. This is the grand pallu of this beautiful sari, and it has similar motifs as the borders. Along with these, it has yane or elephant motifs, and it has a band of Banaras, which is like a diagonal kind of line all over the band. So all these rich motifs enhance the beauty of this gorgeous pallu. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in araku red with the same borders as the sari. This is a very festive, very beautiful, exclusive and unique Kanjivaram in a very lovely shade. A Kattam Kanjivaram in very happy colors of a maroonish pink or araku and rust orange is what we have next for you. The body of the sari has all over Kattam like this in shades of araku and shades of rust orange, and the borders are reticulated zari borders, and they have Rudraksha motifs, and there is a lovely green selvage to enhance the beauty of this border. The pallu of the sari is in a beautiful short orange pink kind of shade, and it's got zari lines, and the blouse piece of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. This is a very festive, very beautiful and happy kind of sari, and this is one of my favorite saris from today's collection. Vairavusi is a dream come true for most Kanjivaram sari lovers, and we have a beautiful and ethereal Kanjivaram with Vairavusi in ivory and maroon. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely ivory, and it's got these zari lines which form the Vairavusi lines. The borders are Korvai borders, and they are in a combination of maroon and rust, and there is a narrow green selvage which enhances the beauty of these borders. The border has rich motifs of floral and diamond kind of motifs done in sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari has similar motifs as the borders, and apart from these motifs, it also has a band of diamond shaped motifs. This is one majestic and stunning sari that we have for you. The blouse fabric of the sari is in maroon with the same borders as the sari. A very unique and different kind of Kanjivaram sari. This one has all over pulli buttas. Pulli means dot. The body of the sari has dot kind of buttas in a combination of green and red. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is a lovely mustard, and the body has all over circular pulli buttas or dot buttas in green and red. The borders of the sari have Pakshi motifs and it has leaf-like motifs and a row of diamond-shaped Kuilkan motifs. The gorgeous mustard pallu of the sari has paisley buttas, it has yana or elephant, it has Pakshis, then it has vanki or bajuband kind of motifs, followed by elephant and Pakshi motifs again. This is a very grand and absolutely stunning pallu and absolutely beautiful Kanchipuram silk sari. This sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can shop for our kaleidoscopic Kanchipuram silk saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.